Hello and welcome back to the channel. It is day 21 on Brad's house. Come on, the boys. That's just me and the Hodfather here today, and we have been sent here today. We wasn't meant to be coming back. I didn't think we was going to be coming back probably this side of Christmas, to be fair. However, we did the Sunday shift, didn't we? We got the Brickwork up. However, there is joists that sit on this wall, which are out here. Look at these bad boys. Ooh la la. Oh, very nice, very nice. Oh, well, we were. They sit on this wall, like I've explained in a previous video. So, I have been sent here today to get that wall up. So, I've got 1, 2, 3 bad boy Chiller Crew lintels. The other one goes there. I'll try and get it all up today if I can. If it's possible, I don't know. Find out. Let's find out at the end of the video. You've got to stay to the end to find out. So, I'm going to set up some bandstands. But as I've mentioned in the previous video, there is no scaffold here. So, instead of flogging all of our scaffold boards here, we have to use sleeper logs. So, I'm going to set my bandstands up. I'm probably going to do... What one should I do first? I'm going to start down that end, set some bandstands up, get this wall first, because this is priority. Hit the music. So the reason we are here today, bless him, Master Trail tried coming Saturday, heavy dew rain, Sunday, heavy dew rain. Today's Tuesday and he's going Disneyland today, and he said, I'm not working Monday because I've got too much to sort out. Fair enough. Because he didn't work Saturday and Sunday because of the forecast, he said, I'll come here on Monday. His van overheated, he broke down on the M25. Poor bastard. All he wanted to do was nick a bit of money, help the trip out to Disneyland, and life wasn't in favour of him. So he had a bit of an unfortunate one. So Master Trail, we feel your pain, we feel your pain. I just thought of a joke about Master Trail. Obviously he's had the misfortunate of breaking down, and I guess life is just taking the mickey. No, sorry, I do actually feel his pain. So just to speed the process up, using my Sigmund laser level, which you can get in the Black Friday sale, and the receiver, I've taken my height from the internal ear. As you can see there, oh, which is flush there. So if you're new to bricklaying, it's just so much easier having a laser level. An old school method is you could pin a line from that one to that one and then set it on that profile. But I ain't got a ladder on the job and it's very high, so we've come across to here. Where's it going? Oh, am I in the way? And as you can see, it's basically on that gauge line there. Happy days. As I mentioned, these laser levels are in the Black Friday sale, and I'm not just trying to flog you a laser level, because even if I sell a laser level, I'll probably get about £2. I genuinely think that these laser levels are the bollocks. Yeah. Only the second come back to the whole international because we'll give you that one, but listen, we give ourselves half the job done there. We've 2 games to prepare for in March, but all credit to the players. They
they really stood up and were counted when we needed them in big games against Portugal and Hungary. So lots to look forward to that again.
Oh yes, what a lovely day. All internals are now complete, ready for joists. I think that's a good effort. What do you reckon? Is that a solid day's graft? Because I am saying yes. Look at it. I think that's solid. Solid day's graft. Hoddy, the motivator. That's what I'm going to call him, the motivator. This is his pier from DPC to lintel. Go on the boy. Go on the boy. So this is day 21. Hope you really are enjoying this series. If you want to catch up on this house, go to my channel, go on to playlist, go on to Brad's house, and you can start from day one. There's plenty to get through. Go get out your laser levels, go check out your laser levels, and I'll see you next time. Boom!